If you try to manually randomize the dates of your WooCommerce products, you would have to edit your products individually, which becomes very tedious if you have to edit thousands of them, which would also require spending many hours. So we're sure you'll be happy to know that you can randomize the dates of your WooCommerce products using the WooCommerce product spreadsheet, which offers an easy-to-use and powerful bulk editing tool. Moreover, it displays all your products in a spreadsheet, where you can do advanced searches and apply bulk changes to thousands of products. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. If you want to select specific products to update, you can do it quickly with the search tool. This tool allows you to filter your products through a variety of search parameters that you can use individually or even combine with each other. For this example, we'll filter all products that contain the keyword shirt. So we'll enter the keyword here and run the search. After filtering the products to be edited, we'll use the bulk edit tool to set a different publication date for each product. Select the rows that you want to update. In this case, will be all the rows from our current search. The field to edit will be date. Select the type of edit, set random value. Now you'll have to enter the dates using this format and separate them with a vertical bar, if you want them to be chosen from a predefined list. Or enter two dates separated with a greater than sign, if you want any date within the selected range. Once you're done, execute. After these simple steps, your product dates will be randomized. As you can see, you don't need to spend many hours editing your products individually thanks to the bulk edit tool provided by the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. Now you can apply this and many other changes to thousands of WooCommerce products in just minutes. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.